Greetings, this is Sebastian Tomek with an Ancient DNA paper review. Who inhabited North Asia during the Pleistocene? Pleistocene being the period of the last ice age. Currently, northeastern Siberia is largely populated with populations of East Asian origin. Was this always the case? The paper, The Population History of Northeastern Siberia Since the Pleistocene, published in Nature, has investigated 34 ancient genomes that date between 29,000 BC and 1400 AD. The oldest genome is from Yana in the north extreme of Siberia, dated to 31,000 years ago. They find that the first inhabitants is a previously unknown population of Ancient North Siberians, represented by the Yana genome, that diverged about 38,000 years ago from Western Eurasians, soon after the latter split from East Asians. Between 20 and 11,000 years ago, the ancient North Siberian population was largely replaced by peoples with ancestry related to present-day East Asians, giving rise to ancestral Native Americans and ancient Palaeo-Siberians, represented by a 9.8 thousand year skeleton from the Kolyma River, also in northern Siberia. The ancient Palaeo-Siberians are closely related to the Siberian ancestors of Native Americans and ancestral to contemporary communities such as the Koryaks and Itelmens. Paleoclimatic modeling shows evidence for a refuge during the last glacial maximum in the southeastern Beringia, suggesting Beringia as a possible location for the admixture forming both ancestral Native Americans and ancient Palaeo-Siberians. They detect gene flow events in both directions across the Bering Strait during this time, influencing the genetic composition of Inuits as well as the Nadene-speaking northern Native Americans, whose Siberian-related ancestry components is closely related to ancient Palaeo-Siberians. Between 11 and 4,000 years ago, the ancient Palaeo-Siberians were in turn largely replaced by another group of people with ancestry from East Asia, the Neo-Siberians, from which many contemporary Siberians derive. The genetic legacy of ancient Palaeo-Siberians among present-day Siberians is more limited, being restricted to groups in northeastern Siberia. The replacement process that we have revealed for northeastern portion of Siberia are mirrored in far western Eurasia by the regional displacement and admixture of the Sami people during the late Holocene. This suggests that similar processes probably took place in many other parts of the northern hemisphere. That's all for today. Till next time, I wish you all the best.